Guys, check out this animation video I created in just 5 minutes by using only one AI tool.
The whispers didn't come from the wind. They came from the cracks in the walls. Little Ilara couldn't sleep. The voices promised her sweet dreams if only she would open her door. Down the crooked hall she wandered, where the shadows danced with a life of their own. They told her not to be afraid, but the house wasn't trying to comfort her. It was just hungry. And when she looked into the glass, she finally saw who was whispering.
There are YouTube channels which have uploaded only 107 videos and hit 2.58 million subscribers, with millions of views on every single video. Perfect for the USA audience, fully monetized and earning big. I know you want a channel like this too, but you don't have the skills to make these videos yet. That's where AI comes in. Today, I'll show you how to clone this channel 100% using AI. And the best part, what used to take a full team and 3 to 4 hours of work, you can now do in just 15 minutes. We'll use an AI tool called Flova, a powerful all-in-one platform that creates images, video scenes, storyboards, narration, and music all in one place. No switching between multiple tools, no complex prompting, no repeated iterations, just a natural conversational workflow that even complete beginners can use from day one. The channel we're cloning is called Llama Arts. You might have seen it. He uploads only Ghost 2D animation videos, gets millions of views, and today you'll learn how to do the exact same thing. So, the first thing you need to do is open Flova. Flova is an all-in-one AI video platform where you can generate images, videos, music, and narration. Basically, everything you need. Even 3D cartoon videos can be easily created here. But before we start creating, Flova has a feature called Video Recreation, which lets you make a copy of any video, literally an exact same version. If you want to clone any channel, you can do it very easily with only one click. You just need to upload the video, and Flova will instantly create an exact same version for you. This feature is really powerful, but for now, we'll try doing it manually first, and later we'll use that feature. So now let's create our own video from scratch. Click Create New Project. An interface will open with an AI agent. This agent handles your entire workflow. You interact with it in normal conversation. A manual effort is almost zero. Below, you'll see 3 main sections. First, models. Here you get multiple models for images, videos, music, and narration, both new and old. Image models, Nano Banana 2 and almost every top image model. Video models, all the most powerful ones, including Veo, 3.1 music models, Suno, Mureka, and more. Narration, high-quality voices via 11 Labs. For this video, we'll select Image, Nano Banana 2, Video, Veo 3.1, Music, Suno, Narration, 11 Labs. Next, click on Skills. You'll find options like Sora 2, Animation, and Storyboard Generation. For a full video, we'll select Storyboard. Once selected, Flova automatically generates your script and video structure. Most things are auto-generated and ready to go. You can manually edit if needed, but you rarely have to. Press Enter. The AI agent will ask, "What is your video about?" Type your idea. I'll type cartoon horror story. Instantly, the system generates a creative brief, voiceover structure, and complete plan. Now adjust your project settings, name, target audience, language, duration. Then choose your video type. Voiceover-driven character. Driven hybrid. I'll go with voiceover-driven. Confirm everything. The system prepares your complete creative brief and starts generating the storyboard automatically. The agent will ask about visual structure and pacing. Just tell it what you want in plain language and hit enter. Within minutes, Flova automatically generates all your storyboard images. Now, review everything. If any image isn't satisfactory, hover over it, click Regenerate, and it's done in a few seconds. You can also edit the prompt or switch the image model right there. Once finalized, it's time for animation. Simply type "animate the entire sequence at once." This converts all your images into video in one go. Or animate scene by scene. Just tell the AI agent, and it handles it. Within minutes, your complete video is ready. Next, type "Generate narration and music." Your voiceover and background music are automatically created. Play them, review, and if you don't like anything, regenerate or customize. Simple. When everything looks good, type "Assemble preview of the full film." A complete timeline is generated. You can manually edit or let the AI assistant handle the editing completely. You can also regenerate any specific clip right from here. Now, let's take a look at the result.
The whispers didn't come from the wind. They came from the cracks in the walls. Little Ilara couldn't sleep. The voices promised her sweet dreams if only she would open her door. Down the crooked hall she wandered, where the shadows danced with a life of their own. They told her not to be afraid, but the house wasn't trying to comfort her. It was just hungry. And when she looked into the glass, she finally saw who was whispering.
So guys, as you can see, the video is really realistic, literally just like the original video that the channel uploads, and actually even better in some ways. So guys, Flova is really amazing. I'm loving it today. Now, if you want to change a specific scene, this is where Flova's branching feature is a game changer. Editing no longer feels like a nightmare. With branching, you can explore alternate creative directions in seconds without risking your previous work. Branch in New Project lets you regenerate from any previous point in a completely new project, leaving your current project untouched. Branch to this moment edits within the current project, useful for quick changes, but it may overwrite earlier progress. For safety, the new project branch is always the better choice. Now guys, let me show you that feature which we talked about at the start of the video. The feature is called reference video. Now we have already created a similar video to that channel, so let's try something new. I'll simply clone a Naruto and Sasuke fight. For that, you just need to come here, and once you're here, upload your video. After uploading, simply click on Generate Video. Once you click on Generate Video, Flova's AI agent will analyze everything for you. You don't need to do anything. It will prepare everything: prompts, script, and whatever is needed for your video. If you were to do all of this manually, it would take hours or even days, and if you outsourced it, it would cost a lot of money. But with Flova, you can do it in just a few minutes. Now, after analyzing, it will ask you a few questions like confirming key checkpoints, whether you want to execute the entire process at once or do step-by-step collaboration. You can instruct the AI agent however you want. You can also change characters, images, etc. Just tell the agent whatever you want to do. For now, I'll select execute the entire process at once. This will make the AI agent do everything in one go. I'll just type that and hit enter. After pressing enter, the AI agent will start analyzing everything again and will generate a creative brief for you. It might ask for confirmation on a few things, just confirm it. Then, the agent will start analyzing again and generate your characters. After generating the characters, it will finally ask what scenes you want to animate. You can review everything properly, your characters and images, and once you are satisfied, just type animate all the scenes. So guys, I'll type that and press enter. Now, the images that were generated will be animated by the agent within a few minutes. After animation, it will automatically bring everything into the final timeline. Now let's review the video and see how it turned out. So guys, as you can see, the video looks amazing, and that too using just one tool. We didn't use any animation software like Blender, yet the result looks like an exact copy created within minutes. If you want to edit anything, replace elements, cut clips, or make adjustments, you can easily do that. You can regenerate parts, edit directly in the timeline, replace clips, or delete them. For example, I'll regenerate the last clip because it didn't look right to me. Within a few seconds, it's regenerated. And look at this, it's even better than before. You can keep regenerating until you get the perfect result. This tool is really powerful. Now finally, you can export your video. So just like that, you can clone any video or any channel you like within minutes with the help of Flova. Let's move forward. Got a custom character? No problem. Create a new project. Upload your character, paste your prompt, and press enter. The AI agent automatically generates multiple scenes and a full storyboard for that character. Animate or customize however however you want. Want fast cinematic shots? Here's how. Select Nano Banana Pro as the image model. Paste your prompt. Choose duration, 10 to 12 seconds or more. Pick your style, dark, epic, or mix. Click Generate. Now guys, our character has been generated. And just take a look at the quality of the character. How amazing it looks. Along with the character, our background is also ready. But guys, I don't want Batman. I want Spider-Man. So we're going to swap the character. And here's what we need to do for that. Just click reply and type something like, change the character to Spider-Man. And the system automatically replaces it. Clean, precise, and honestly impressive. Then type, animate the scene, and instantly you have a high-quality cinematic video ready to publish. And that's the power of Flova. What would traditionally require a full production team and a budget of hundreds of dollars in opportunities or juggling $120 plus worth of separate AI subscriptions every month is now available in one unified platform for just $19 a month. And if you buy a yearly subscription, you'll get the same plan for just $16 per month. You'll find more plans like Basic and Pro, so you can select a plan according to your needs. With this kind of efficiency, you can upload daily. You can even upload multiple videos a day. So don't wait. Open Flova today, start your first project, and start building the channel you've been thinking about. Link is in the description. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your wildest video idea in the comments. I might make it next.